After my volunteer work at Ukrainian-Polish border, I decided to create artwork as a global symbol of support for Ukraine. I created a ceramic country-shaped pieces that show support for Ukraine. I ordered transfers that utilized my pictures from art workshops with Ukrainian children at Humanitarian Aid Center in Przemyśl. To protect the transferred images, I applied 2 layers of glaze over the ceramic surface. And now we're going to put the transfers on the ceramics. Place the cutout decay in a bowl of lukewarm water. Let it soak for a minute or 2 until the decay starts to slide off the paper backing. Now gently slide the decay of the paper backing and put onto the ceramic piece. Position it carefully to avoid any wrinkles or bubbles. You can use any soft brush or sponge to smooth it out, any air bubbles, and ensure good adhesion. Now allow the transfer decay to dry completely on the ceramic surface. This may take a few hours. And that's what ready fired ceramic pieces look like.